dirt up to them to hold water. And so my goal was that when I get too old to cut the mustard, that my kids can go out, and this is what they have. And I hope and pray they'll take care of them.
Oh, we will, Daddy. Of course.
And that old song that says, I'm too old to cut the mustard, I'm too old to cut the pecans. And then a lot of people look at pecans like that just comes natural. But if you have a pecan grove, you got to be dedicated to them. And so I hope they enjoy them, because Pawnee will make the best pies you ever eat in your life.
Okay, now Daddy.